Imagine you are verifying a packet that has an array of data field, maybe 20 element or maybe 100 element. Now suppose you want every element to stay within a certain range. Are you going to write 100 separate constraints? Of course not. That would be painful and impossible to maintain. This is exactly why verification engineers use the for each constraint in system Verilog. Let's look at the idea. We write a constraint like this: constraint C1 open braces, then we say for each array I, and inside that loop we say array I inside 0 to 10 and close the constraint. What this means is very simple. For every element of the array, the solver will generate a value between 0 and 10. The beauty of this is scalability. If tomorrow the array size becomes 10 or 100 or even 1000, you don't need to change the constraint at all. This is why for each is heavily used when generating packet, memory transaction, or protocol data field. Now let's talk about something even more interesting. Random testing is powerful, but controlled randomness is even more powerful. Sometimes we want certain values to appear more frequently during simulation. For example, boundary address or reset location. And this is where the dist keyword comes into play. Here is how we write it. Constraint C1 open braces, address dist open braces, 0 gets weight 50, 1 gets weight 30, 2 get weights 20, close braces, close constraint. So how do we read this? It means when the randomization happen, address 0 will appear about 50% of the time, address 1 about the 30%, and address 2 about 20%. Why is this important? Because in verification, not all values are equally important. Some scenarios reveals bug faster. Using dist, we can stress those important scenarios more frequently. So remember this, for each help us apply constraint to every element of an array. Dist helps us control the probability of values during randomization, and this is how verification engineer makes random testing intelligent. Because good verification is not just random, it is smart random. This is Logic Verify signing off.